No? What are you doing?
Doing yoga.
Are you doing yoga? Show me how you bounce.
This is when we say do yoga, this is what he does.
This is a downward dog, apparently.
It's baby yoga.
It's very good.
Very well done. Oh, headstand.
Wow. Woohoo.
Excellent balance.
Can you bounce on there? Is that bouncing?
It's bouncing near there.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Is he eating it?
I don't know. Can you stand on there?
Oh.
Wow, what a strong boy.
Wow, where are you bringing it? Over to me? It's upside down. Oh, it might be more bouncy like that.
It's more tippy though.
Only on the edges. Bounce for grandma. Show grandma.
Bounce, bounce.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Are you dancing? Oh, can you stomp?
Can you stomp, stomp, stomp? Hey, Zabby. You lick. You kick. Oh! Now throw your head back and laugh. Go. Ah, ha, 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 ha.
He likes putting his toes in those holes.
Exactly. Go. Ah, ha, ha, ha.